Hello, people of Earth. Today, we are going to do some pack opening. And so, guys, we are going to start by opening this pack. Let's see if we can get this open. That open. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got a Jalen Marshall, too great. Emmanuel Sanders, pretty good. Cordell Patterson. Got an We got Allen Hurns, Deion Jones, getting some really good cards. Vic Beasley, Seth Roberts. Actually, get some really good cards. C.J. Mosley, Kyle Rudolph. There's a good card. Kobe Fleener, pretty good. C.J. Anderson, Tracy Porter. No one cares about you. Whoa, the fantasy stars is Brandon Cooks. Sorry guys, I'm looking through. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We got some good cards to show you coming up. Emmanuel something. Charlie over there. Big fat butt. Vincent Jackson. Vigil Green. Desmond Trufant. Guys, comment down below if you want to see more of these. Or do you want me to just stick with what I usually do? Charles Harris. Got a showcase card right there. Tyler Lockett. Got a good scorecard there. Andrew Luck. Dude, that's like doesn't even play well. Ooh, here's a good one. Here's a drive team. Odell Beckham, Rashad Jennings, and Eli Manning, who got benched. For Geno Smith. Brett Favre. This is like my 5th Brett Favre. Not in this pack, but ever. Ooh, we got a Color Rush. Odell Beckham. Yes, my first Russell Wilson. I was sorting my packs through all my collection of football cards, and you guys, so there was like I was looking for a Russell Wilson, and I was like, how do I not have a Russell Wilson? I really need him. And then I found this pack. Just sitting on the countertop, so I decided to open it. I mean, I'm an only child, so it couldn't be anyone else. Or could it be him? I mean, just saying it could be. Not saying anything else, though. Ooh, we got another drive team. Derek Carr, season-ending injury. Latavius Murray, and Amari Cooper. Ooh, then we got one of the Patriots cards, my favorite team. Actually, it says Saints, but it's Brandon Cooks, and he got traded to the Patriots. Brad Kayaya. Von Miller. Don't even say his name. Drew Brees. I really don't like the Broncos. Ooh, we got a good standout numbered Ben Roethlisberger. That number is 522 in there. I'm looking at it backwards from my camera, so it looks I'm making sure like you guys can see it. Parnell Pumphrey. Viase Scate. Byron Hill. Jeremy Sprinkle. Wait, speaking of Sprinkle, let's sprinkle Jeremy Sprinkle on Little Chart. Here's Jeremy Sprinkle. Sprinkle! Gives you a sprinkle. Sprinkle them all over. Sprinkle it. Okay, guys. Jeremy Sprinkle has sprinkled on Charlie. And, okay. Tim Wills. Carl Lawson. Okay, I know this guy, but I don't know what team he's playing for. Okay, got a kid reporter. Derp. Wait, look at this. Derpity derp. Derpity derp. Derpity derp. Derpity derp. Derpity derp. Derpity derp. Okay, another big man on campus, Brad Kayaya, Roger Staubach, and Dak Prescott. That's a really good card. Reflections. Wait, look, the reflections card is reflecting in the sunlight. And you might be wondering, as this is the last card, it's really good. Why do you think like I'm here? Like, why am I not like at school? I'm a kid. I'm a goat, but I'm not a kid. I'm a man. Not a kid. I'm a goat, and I'm a man at the same time. And this is why I'm the goat. I pull cards like this. Look at this. 47 fantasy point. Le'Veon Bell. When the time matters. Okay, let's do a little montage. The card of the future. Card of the future. Okay, guys. Now that this is done, card of the future. Signing off. Wait, guys. I have to do the showing of you and why I am here. Okay, let's see this. Just gotta get. This is not why I'm here. We just like doing this. Charlie cam. Put on the Charlie cam. Put on the Charlie cam. Charlie cam. I wonder if I should just do a video that just looks like this. Like a video just like this. Like all Charlie. If I just did a video that was like this. Like just Charlie. Just a little doggy. Okay, now it's time to show you why. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's snowing. I mean, I live in New York, so it's actually not that surprising, but signing off. My name's Charlie. Can you speak? Can you sign off, Charlie? Can you sign off? I'll take those wide eyes as a yes. Signing off. Look at the camera. Signing off. Charlie and the goat. Charlie and the goat. Charlie and the goat. Charlie and the goat. See ya.